These new revelations could take this investigation in a new direction.
WVTM 13's Aaron Llewellyn following this for us. Police say this investigation is still ongoing, Aaron, but this new evidence, pretty curious.
Yes, guys, Sherry, the new evidence is very interesting. Now, as you said, Hoover Police Chief Nick Derzis says that the department has not decided if a crime has been committed yet. But while they are still investigating, I talked to one legal expert about the possibility of consequences for this case.
I mean, it is a little frustrating to think that all this has been done and we can't find anything out.
Hoover Police releasing new details Wednesday in the disappearance of Carlee Russell. The 25-year-old went missing for 49 hours last week after calling 911 about a toddler on Interstate 459. The new details leaving many with more questions than answers, especially after police revealed searches on Carlee's cell phone.
All of these kinds of Google searches the night before this happened would certainly, I think anyone would agree, would be quite coincidental.
Police revealing there was no evidence of a child on the interstate that was called into 911, which attorney Richard Jaffe says could lead to possible charges.
The statute actually goes a little further than that because it puts into it a person that files a false report or causes a false report to be filed.
Hoover Police Chief Nick Derzis says the search for Carlee required help from several law enforcement agencies. He says every possible tip that could have led to finding her was taken seriously, and that takes a lot of effort.
We have put every available resource that we have on this case because we wanted to make sure that we found out everything. We wanted to get her home, and we have.
Jaffe estimates the search for Carlee and the reported toddler she says she saw on the interstate could come with a six-figure price tag.
If someone misled authorities, causing them to expend tens of thousands of dollars in tax money and man time, woman time, there are certainly civil penalties that would occur.
And Jaffe says this investigation isn't over yet, but
ultimately I think the truth will be revealed.
Now, police say that they are still waiting to talk to Carlee again, but they say they are ready to hear what she has to say when she's ready. And you can expect us to keep you updated right here on WVTM 13. But for right now, we're live in Hoover. Aaron Llewellyn, WVTM 13.